G'day guys. So I wanted to do a little bit of a test, and so what I did is I went ahead and downloaded the PC version of the Dagcoin wallet and also the Obyte wallet, and I decided I would run them side by side just to find out what's different and take a look. So I've already gone to the efforts of downloading Dag wallet and also Obyte wallet, so I will double click on both of them and get them fired up. And I will fire up that one there. So let me get the other one going as well. Okay, so we've got the Dag wallet on the one side. So we've got Dagcoin on this side, and we got Obyte on this side. So program files, just the same. Go next. Start menu. Obyte and Dag wallet exactly the same. Create desktop shortcut. I'm not going to do that. Program files Obyte, program files Dag wallet, all the same. And run both installed at the same time. It's surprising actually that Obyte is actually smaller in size, which as you can see here is loading faster. So they must have made a few things efficient. Okay, so Obyte's finished. Let's boot this. So this is the Obyte wallet. The Dag wallet is still moving. So you notice that the actual size of the actual image is trapped. The size. We'll just wait for Dag wallet to finish, or not. Okay, forget that. Okay, so what have we got? We've got small expenses wallet. We've got 0 bytes, and there's also something called black bytes. So that was a new initiative that they've got for privacy, and Dag wallet doesn't actually have that. Now, of course, they've got the home menu. It's synchronizing right now, so it's at 0%. And let's see. Okay, so here we go. So we've got a Obyte receive address. And we can actually punch in this or scan it, claim funds using Dagcoin, request a specific amount. We've also got a send, so we can put in the amount of bytes, the amount here, and we'll punch in the address down here. Of course, no transactions, and chat. Well, that's just that. So we've got bot store, and we've got contacts. I don't even know whether or not the Dag wallet even has that. Okay, Dag wallet is almost finished. Okay, so one of the things I noticed in here, actually it didn't even show it. It didn't show it because I'd already tried to do the synchronizing earlier, and so it basically reloaded the wallet where I opened it prior. But one of the things that the Obyte wallet showed, which I don't believe the Dagcoin wallet showed at all, was this image right here. So it says here, please choose how much data to store in your wallet. This choice cannot be changed later. Download the entire Obyte database. This option is better for privacy, but will take several gigabytes of storage, and the initial sync will take several days. CPU load will be high during the sync. And then the second option is keep only data relevant for you. The wallet vendor will be able to show some of the balances and will be able to see which transactions are yours, but you can't start using the wallet immediately, and the wallet is fully functional. So that was one screenshot which I captured of when Obyte was booting up, and that is obviously not come up this second time around, because as you can already see, so we'll go back to the expenses well, it's synchronizing. It's at 0.3%. So that's one of the things that my computer already knew that this wallet was installed 20 minutes ago, but I uninstalled it hoping that I'd be able to go through the whole function again, but obviously it skipped past. Okay, so the DAG wallet has finished, so that's done now. And there we go. So that's loading. Now you will obviously notice that it's up to 0.36 right now, so it's synchronizing as it said in that note. This is going to take days. Now most of you guys are probably well and truly used to looking at the DAG wallet here, and it's sort of similar. It looks a little bit more dated than what the Obyte one does, because the Obyte one's got a little bit more fresh sort of styling. And this is something that it's not getting asked up here at all. You do still back up your seeds, but this is something that wasn't here. So what do we got here? We've got show wallet address, so that's the receive. So this is the DAG QR code, which was similar to the Obyte wallet over here. We've got send, which as you can see here, looks like the Obyte one has a little bit more complicated sort of things in. It's got share via message, and this is just an amount and ID really. It's very, very, very simple, just 2 commands. Whereas this has got a whole bunch of features in there. Of course, this has got history, which this doesn't have. So some of these guys, some of the people who are obviously using DAG wallet, I believe that when you actually get receive and send, history just sort of develops inside these tabs. But this history is actually an actual tab by itself. So anyway, if we go back, you can go to what do we get in the options over here? Okay, so Dagcoin's 2.2.4 and Obyte is version 3.03. It's got add new wallet, address book, paired devices and settings in Dagcoin, and this one's got paired devices, settings, global references. We won't worry about add wallet because that's already done. We won't worry about the address book because I don't have an address book right now. We've got paired devices. What do we got? Okay, so no paired devices. This one's, I guess not much. So we won't worry about that. We'll go into settings. Now, one of the things you're going to notice is the settings is very, very, very vastly different. So on the Dagcoin one, we've got system, security, verification status, personal info, about device, about Dagcoin. And of course, this one's got device name, hub, Tor, which they don't have Tor at all. It's got choice for language, units, bytes, so you can change it to that, change it to something else. So we'll just go back to bytes. Black bytes, of course, which Dagcoin doesn't have. Now, one of the things that I wanted to express in this is the fact that Dagcoin doesn't show witnesses. So you can go to system and it says desktop, and it's got a hub settings of hub Dagcoin link. But these guys actually have witnesses. So you're not going to be able to find this in the Dagcoin wallet. We've got backup, recover, set password, click to receive, verification status. Okay, it's going to require verification. What have we got? Personal info. You can fill in your personal info, which I don't know why you'd even need that, because honestly, the whole idea of anonymous transactions is to not be not have your KYC on the internet. We've got device address, and what's the other one? About Dagcoin. Okay, this is just information on Dagcoin. So as you can see here, I just clicked on most of those right just then. Yep, I did click on all of them. And one thing that is missing from the Dagcoin one is witnesses. So as you can see here, we've got one, which is Bosch, Connectory Stuttgart. We've got two, which is Roger Ecklerhoff. We've got this one, which is Polo, so that's 3. Bind Creative, which is 4. Fabian Marina, which is that 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got founder. So that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 witnesses, and 6 of them have been named as founder. So that's half of the witnesses are founder based, and 6 of the witnesses are non-founder based. So that basically means is that the Obyte wallet, the witnesses are witnessing all the transactions that are happening, right? And with 12 witnesses standing there watching that every transaction happens, they are making sure that the actual DAG chain is stored in those 12 locations. 12 locations is not many nodes, to tell you the truth. And I mean, at the moment, I'm synchronizing too. So to some degree, I'm going to be acting as a node for them too. Now, Dagcoin is not revealing who their witnesses are. And so my obvious guess, which I've always assumed, is the only one and only witness, and I don't know if it's one witness or maybe even 2 witnesses, could be 3 witnesses, but I believe them to be Success Factory and the Dagcoin.org webpage. So let's say that's 2 witnesses. And I believe obviously that that Dagcoin.org and Success Factory are the same company, which means that the decentralization of Dagcoin could be 2 or 3 max. Even if the 2 CEOs are running a node, maybe 4. And I mean, Obyte's not all that much better. They've got 12. I mean, 6 of them are founders, which means that they are compromisable by the people who run Obyte. And the other 6, well, that does improve things because they are legitimate customers and business, like Bosch, Polo. I don't know what that is. It looks like a charity. The Roger is a first decentralized witness candidate. So I mean, essentially, what I'm trying to say is that Dagcoin is definitely not decentralized, as far as I can tell, and to some degree, Obyte is only slightly decentralized, slightly.